Hello. So today I thought that maybe I should also speak a little in my video. It's the first time I'm filming myself speaking, and I'm really nervous, and I don't know if my English sounds um, good or it can be understood. But I'll just try to do it like this. I just want to give you a little tour of my of some of my paintings that I did them in the last year, and I'm really proud of them. So I will start with the small ones, and then with two of my bigger paintings. One of the first paintings I did in oil is this one. I did it after watching a tutorial of Leonid Afremov, a Spanish painter who paints in Impressionism style, and I really love his style, so I tried to follow his tutorials, and this is one of the paintings I did. I did some others, but I don't have them anymore. They're beautifying some people's houses. Okay. Another painting that I did, and I love it so much, and I think this painting is done in my own style. I didn't follow any painters or tutorials to do this. I just used a real photography of a Jack Russell dog, and I'm really happy how it turned out, because I feel like it's looking into my soul. But I love it so much. And the pair painting of this one, it's of course the kitty. These two I did it while watching tutorial, not a tutorial, a real photography of a kitty. It was a gray kitty, and I did this painting. I did them in complementary colors, so the kitty is in cooler shades, the puppy in warm shades, but their backgrounds match together because they are complementary colors. Orange and blue. I don't know if this can be seen on camera, but it's orange, not red. And this one is sky blue. I love these colors. I think I finished this painting and I should go acquire some more. Another painting I did in Impressionist style is this mermaid looking into the sunset. It's also a painting I did in in the Leonid Afremov style, and I'm really happy with this. I did it only using a palette knife. Another painting is a painting of Atrani, a little town in Italy. I don't know if it can be seen too much because the reflection of my lamp is kind of messing with the video. Maybe I should just lift up the camera a bit. I hope it doesn't fall. Yes, it's falling. Okay, so this is how the painting looks, but I'm sorry that you can see that there's a river in here, in the sea. But I'll put a link to my website where you can see the entire photo of this painting. It's also this one, it's in acrylics. Sorry, I didn't mention the puppy and the kitty are also in acrylics, not in oil. Just the other two are in oil. This is in acrylics. But I used glossy varnish to protect it. Okay. Another painting I did in acrylics is this butterfly. It's also I think I wanted to do something else when I started this one, but it ended up being a butterfly in a sort of a galaxy. I also like it very much. And one of my favorite paintings is this one. I'm afraid it's not fitting into the view, so I'll just lift up the phone and just use it like this. This is one of my favorite paintings. I did it in acrylics and I'm very proud of it. I love it so much, and I think I'm just gonna hang it in my room when I move with my boyfriend. I used the photo reference of a couple doing a trashed dress, like a wedding trashed the dress session. But I changed his face, his shirt, her dress, her hair, a bit see the reflection, so I just used the pose reference for this one. So this is a little tour of my paintings and my style. They're not too much, but I hope I will improve. So see you soon. Bye bye. Oh well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more painting videos. Bye bye.